Good day, and welcome to the McConnell Equities Stock Trading Channel. I, of course, am your host, Chris McConnell, and welcome back to another week. Here we go. Had a bit of, how would you say, volatility. Had a bit of action there at the end of the week in the U.S. as President Donald Trump has threatened China with more tariffs, 100% tariffs, they're saying. I think the thing to keep in mind that I don't know that China cares, really. But the brouhaha happened because of the U.S.'s want, need, desire for their rare earth materials in China. So I think Trump thinks, or he's kind of gone and said, if you're not going to play nice, we're going to roll out everything we can in order to strong arm you into playing nice. And like I said, I don't think that China cares too much. They've been doing business with the world for millennia, way longer than the U.S. I think there was a someone from China representative said, we don't care. Fact is, though, that's not our concern. What our concern is the markets coming up this week. And so we have to be a little bit cautious. But looking through my watch list and, despite seeing almost nothing but red, there were a few green candles on Friday from the U.S. and as well as Australia. But the one I'd like to quickly speak about today, speak about two, just to keep an eye on, only because I don't want to go ahead and say go buy these tomorrow, because we just don't know exactly how this is going to play out. The way I assume it'll play out is that the Trump will back off a bit and things will go back to business as usual shortly here, which is always a nice time when there's been a big drop back, because it's a decent time for us to buy into some things we've been looking at on a bit of a discount possibly. But two stocks to potentially watch this week are one out of Australia, so Lynas Rare Earth, so LYC, trading on the ASX, obviously, and one out of the US called MP Materials. If you recall, a few months ago, the U.S. had actually bought some equity in MP Materials, set the price way up, and it's kind of continued on that trajectory since. But where every other stock on my watch list was going down on Friday, MP went up almost 10%. So it just goes to show they're the only rare earth miner in the U.S. apparently at the moment, doing business out of like Montana or the Dakotas or something. But if that's their only mine, they're going to probably trying to be hustling production, getting things going a little bit quicker, and looking for outside sources outside of China. I do believe China's the largest rare earth producer in the world, but there's Canadian, Australian, I believe there's Brazilian as well. So there are other options, and I think that that's going to drive eyeballs over to those other options, ASX being one of them. And on top of LYC, there's a few other ones, Arafura. Just have a look around. But I do think that these could be, in these tumultuous waters that we're currently in, they might be a couple of diamonds in the rough. So have a look at those. Do your own research, entertainment and informational purposes only. But if you've been enjoying the material, please lightly tap the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're going to try to have 2 videos a week. There's no guarantee. We've started our new series on ancient strategies, modern trading, which is going to blend both my love for spirituality and the stock market. So I don't know if there's many other YouTubers out there doing that, but that is a real passion of mine. So please subscribe. It would really help the channel out. And I would love it if you commented on the videos as well. I will definitely get back to you. So let me know what you think. If you have any other ideas, palladium as well. Make sure you check out palladium, which is considered also a rare earth. But shout out to Dalrymple Trading for sending a few articles my way regarding palladium, and definitely could be an underbought asset at the moment, and critical to all the things that are happening technologically. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment. That would be great. And please stay tuned. We've got another installment of the Ancient Techniques modern trading coming up a little bit later this week. But stay tuned. It'll be a great week in the markets. Don't let it get you down. These things happen. If you lost a bit of money, you'll get it back. Don't worry. Don't worry. Anyways, thanks very much for watching. Let's go make some money.